Hi, my name is Vadim Poklopkin. I am the head of EWAVES Flash Services. Today is Friday, November 22nd, and this is the weekly wrap. Many of my colleagues here at EWI have a Friday video where they go over the week's highlights and give subscribers a preview for the week ahead, and I thought I would follow their lead and start recording videos for the Flash subscribers as well. First up, gold, the chart that you see in front of you right now. Gold popped up on the futures flash radar on November 14th. As you can see from the high at 2800, EWAVES was counting waves 1, 2, and 3 down as finished. According to this labeling, the rally would have been a wave 4, and our initial projection was for the rally to extend into the price territory of the previous fourth wave, which would be in this range right here. So on November 14th, with gold trading at 2566.80, we send out an up alert for gold, expecting prices to reach into the range of 2620 to 2630. And gold took no time getting there, which allowed us to adjust our cancel alert level initially to 2620, then to 2640, and then gold finally pushed into the 2670 range, and we closed the alert at 2671.90. Now, by this wave count, anything up to this wave 1 low technically can be a wave 4. But I will leave it up to EWAVES to label the wave subdivisions. The most important thing for us is the fact that EWAVES labeled a strong pivot point in prices, and we were able to jump on this train. Next highlight of the week is BOIL, which is ProShares Ultra Bloomberg Natural Gas ETF. Now, natural gas prices have popped up on the flash radar in late October because they had fallen to the levels we hadn't seen in months. And that alone may or may not be the reason to be looking for a rebound in the market, but EWAVES initially flagged for us a couple of potential setups in UNG, which is the natural gas ETF. So we had a couple of alerts for UNG. And then on November 15th, when it was trading at 39.79, we opened an up alert for BOIL. EWAVES, as you can see, was counting waves 1 and 2 as complete. So the expectation was for this ETF to jump higher in wave 3. And prices did jump. We closed the alert for BOIL on November 20th at 48.53, but it kept on going higher. And only today do we see the prices actually beginning to reverse because the natural gas prices themselves are also taking a breather. We'll see how EWAVES continues to label this rally, and if another opportunity presents itself, we'll be waiting. And the next highlights I wanted to show you is from our stocks flash, and that one is for Alcoa, ticker symbol AA. Alcoa has appeared on the EWAVES radar more than once. As this rally was progressing, we kept watching the charts, hoping for a pullback. And on November 12th, Alcoa took a dive into the $40 range, which put it into the price territory of wave 4 of one lesser degree right here. And that's a common stopping point for corrections. So on November 12th, with AA trading at 40.45, we send out an up alert. And as of yesterday, Alcoa has retraced this entire decline and hit a new high for the year, which has allowed us to adjust the cancel alert level along the way. And for now, this alert remains open. And by the way, I keep mentioning the name EWAVES. And if you are new to our flash services, EWAVES is the proprietary software that we use to spot potential setups in the futures, ETFs, and stocks. EWAVES stands for Elliott Wave Analysis and Validation Expert System. You can learn more about it if you go to ewaves.com and watch a couple of videos that explain how it works. And you can even license EWAVES for yourself and look for your own setups. But what we do at the Flash Services is we log into EWAVES Live, and when I click on this button, Browse All Markets, it shows me as of today 4,537 results. These are futures, ETFs, and stocks, and they are all arranged in terms of Ellioticity. It is a score that eWaves assigns to each chart to show us how closely the chart pattern fits the idealized Elliott Wave form, and it presents these charts in the descending order. That's the main tool that we use at the Flash services to spot these potential setups. And if you are not a Flash subscriber yet, you can go to elliottwave.com, click on subscriptions, and Flash services opportunity alerts. Thanks for watching. Next week is Thanksgiving week here in the US. The markets usually are not very eventful during the Thanksgiving week. Of course, anything is possible. So we will continue to watch the markets. And if we see something, we'll say something. Thanks for watching. Talk to you again soon.